wish to register a complaint.
Sorry, we're closed for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot what I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique.
Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. It's dead, that's what's wrong.
No, he's resting.
Matey, I know a dead parrot when I see one. And I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's not dead, Squire, he's resting. Remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue, isn't it, eh? Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't innuit. He's stone dead.
No, he's resting.
All right, then, if he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Mr. Polly Parrot. I've got a nice fresh cuttlefish for you if you wake up.
Is that him?
No, he didn't. That was you.
Oh, never!
Yes,
I
you
did
did. Hello, Polly. Wakey, wakey. Testing. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Now, that's what I call a dead parrot.
He's stunned.
Stunned?
Yeah! You stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian blue stunned easily.
Now, listen, matey, I've had enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. And when I purchased it not half an hour ago, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to it being tired and shagged out following a prolonged squawk.
Oh, he's probably pining for the field.
Pining for the field? Pining for the field? What kind of talk is that? This is nothing to laugh at. Why did he fall flat on his back the moment I got him home?
The Norwegian blue prefers keeping on his back. Remarkable bird, eh, Squire? Beautiful plumage.
I took the liberty of examining that bird when I got it home, and I discovered the only reason it had been sitting on its perch in the first place was that it had been nailed there.
Oh, well, of course it was nailed there. If I hadn't nailed that bird down, it would have muscled up to them bars, bent them apart with its beak, and boom!
Boom! Make this parrot one boom if you put 4 million bolts through it! This bleeding demise!
No! He's blind!
He's not pining, he's passed on! This parrot is no more! He has ceased to be! It's a stiff! He snuffed it! Bereft of life, he rests in peace! He is indubitably extinct! This is an